Back out here in Waxahachie, Texas today in Lakeway Estates yet again, and we're taking a look at another beautiful Chesmar home behind us here. This is their Valencia floor plan. It's 2,734 square foot, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms with an office, all on 1 acre and a 3-car garage as well. So this one's really beautiful inside. Let's go ahead and take a look at it right now. All right, y'all, so here we are on the inside of this beautiful Valencia floor plan by Chesmar Homes out here in Lakeway Estates in Waxahachie. Got this huge double entry door here right into the foyer here, the beautiful lighting, transom window above. Right off of the entry, we've got an office here. Got a tray ceiling in the office, very good lighting in here. And then you got double windows looking out to the front, transom window up top there. So lots of really good natural light coming in here. And then also got the can lights up there. Got a fan in here with the light as well. We got these glass doors to close the office off as well. Also right here off the front, we've got a coat closet right here. And then we've got the half bath right here as well. So perfect for company to be able to utilize the half bath. Got a window looking out to the front. I'm sorry, we've got a linen closet here, not a coat closet. Linen closet there, which is good. Always good to have good storage. Half bath right off of the living room and the main entry room. And then here, this door closes off this bedroom number 4. It's at the front of the home, double windows looking out to the front, and then you've got an ensuite bathroom in here. So once again, great flexibility in this floor plan for those that may want to have some more privacy. Potentially you've got a parent or older kid living with you and they want to have, you know, ensuite bathroom. This is perfect. Nice big closet here in the bedroom as well. And then you've got a toilet, storage above. Got another window there letting in natural light. It is frosted, so you've got that. And then really good walk-in shower there as well. You got the tile all the way up to the ceiling. And then you've got your bench seat in here as well. And then you've got your vanity there. Beautiful. So love that they've got the ensuite bathroom for that 4th bedroom there. When we walk into the living room space, you've got tray ceiling here in the living room. Huge slider door there in the back. Slides all the way over. And then you got transom windows there. You got big picture windows here. And then more transom windows. So, you know, this is a little bit later in the afternoon here. So we're getting some afternoon sun coming in. You can see the gas log fireplace there on the back porch. This one has a huge back porch built for entertaining for sure. And then we've got gas logs here as well. Got that beautiful fireplace and then the tile work going all the way up. Looks really nice. So these gas log fireplaces and then the gas range over here are all fed by a buried propane tank. With this being on 1 acre, it also has a buried septic system as well. You've got power right here in the floor, so that's good if you've got power recliners you want to have power to. It's nice. Don't have to be running cords all along your flooring. Huge island right here. There's an island, and then extra cabinet space and countertop space over there. This to me is ready to host the holidays. So if you get in right now, you may be able to make it for Christmas. But it is ready to go, that's for sure. Love this oversized farmhouse sink right here. And you've got filtered water ready to hook up. Got really nice stainless steel appliances. Beautiful 6-burner gas range there, and you've got the pot filler right here as well. And then great exhaust vent hood right there. And then over here you've got your microwave on top of your double stacked ovens right there. And this one's got under cabinet lighting as well. And then pendant lighting hanging over this really big island. So we're gonna go back here really quick. We're gonna take a look too at this dining space. Breakfast nook, what they call it. It's again these big picture windows looking out on your acre of land here. So this kitchen, as you can see, it's got lots of storage. Lots and lots of storage. We'll go back around to the pantry here in a second. This is where the laundry room is tucked away. Got a sink, a deep sink here in the laundry room, so that's great. I know some folks, if they've got smaller dogs, you can bathe them right in there. Really good storage there as well. Full-size washer and dryer space. And then you can definitely put more over here if you want a chest freezer or even a fridge here as well. You've got outlets on the wall on both sides there. You got a nice window looking out to the backyard too. This one also has tankless gas hot water heaters as well. So there's the controls here in the laundry room to be able to control the temperatures. All right, as promised, let's swing around and see this pantry. So lots and lots of cabinet space here. Pantry's tucked away back here. Got a really good sized pantry in here. Walk in. Shelving that wraps all the way around here. So it's a great space. All right, so we've got the entry to the three-car garage. And then on either side here, we've got the mud bench area kind of already set up, ready to go. Take a look at this 3-car garage real quick. So you definitely could fit a whole lot in here. If you had a truck, I don't think there's any reason why you couldn't fit it all the way in here. It's a nice big 3-car garage. And then we've got bedrooms 2 and 3 right here, and they share this full bathroom here. We've got coat closet right here, right off of the garage entry as well, so more good storage. We've got the tub shower combo, tiling all the way to the ceiling, nice fogged transom window there, letting in that natural light. And then got good storage in here as well, right above the toilet there. And then also here on the vanity. All right, so this bedroom number 2, got a window out to the front and a window off to the side. A good sized closet right here. And then bedroom number 3, got 2 windows out to the front. And then another really good sized closet here as well. So bedrooms 2 and 3 are over here on the complete opposite side of the master. Master is tucked way back here in the back. Remember, we've got the half bath ensuite bedroom there. So bedroom 4, bedrooms 2 and 3. Got the office here, the entryway, walking through the living room, back to the master suite here. We've got 4 beautiful windows looking out to the back. Got a beautiful tray ceiling in here. And then also a door right to the back porch as well. There we go. We've got this beautiful standalone tub, and then split vanities. Got some frosted glass there in the middle, letting in some really good natural lighting. And then got the walk-in shower there as well. We've got linen closet here. And then walk-in shower. Got the bench over there. You've got shower head here, and then a rain shower head up there as well. Tile all the way to the ceiling as well again. And we've got the toilet here. Once again, solid core doors throughout. And a really nice big closet here. Got shelving, got hanging rods all the way up there. You've got all your data cables tucked away right there for the whole home. Additional shelving there. Got a full-size mirror there. And then same thing over here, full shelving. Got a transom window letting in some natural light into the closet, which is nice. Not enough, like one viewer said, where I don't think you would get enough natural light in here that it would start fading clothes or anything like that. But it's just enough to, you know, bring in some good natural light, so it's not like a cave in there. Love this setup here for the master bath. This Valencia floor plan is a really good one too. I really do like it. Go ahead and get this slider door opened up here. Opens all the way up, so you've got so much entertainment space. Entertaining space there, inside and outside now. It's already got wiring there for a TV, ready to go on the back porch here. And additional space over here as well. Then you've got the gas stubbed out here on the back. If you wanted to hook up a gas grill, you could get that hooked up right away. Once again, thank you for joining me out here in Waxahachie in the Lakeway Estates neighborhood, taking a look at another beautiful Chesmar home. This one, as I mentioned before, it's the Valencia floor plan, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, with a 3-car garage. It's got the office up front as well. And it's 2,734 square foot, and it's all on 1 acre, and it's coming in at $679,900. So this is, as you can see, a very, very beautiful home. Got all these great, tall ceilings, great entertaining space, and just a beautiful home out here. So if you've got any questions at all about this home or any of the others that I cover, definitely reach out. I'd be more than happy to help answer those questions for you. Once again, I do not represent the builder, but I can help represent you. So if you live here in the area or you live in and around the DFW area, I'd be more than happy to help answer questions about out here in Waxahachie or in Ellis County itself. I've been fielding many calls from folks that are looking to move in and around DFW. And then if you are from outside of DFW or outside Texas itself and you're looking to relocate, definitely reach out. We can talk about the pros and cons of living in Ellis County, what your commute may look like, and we can put together a plan to help you, make this area your next home. So thank you so much for tuning in each and every week. I do appreciate you all reaching out and commenting and everything, engaging with these videos. Definitely appreciate it. And I hope you all have a good one, and I will see you all next week. Y'all take care.